we've done everything decimal at this point. So if you're taking a look at this guy, you're gonna notice that this thing right here is going to drive all of these other ones. So how do I know that? Well, it has the lowest common denominator that you have here. These are gonna be quarters, right? So how do I adjust that? Well, I'm gonna go over to annotate ribbon, and I'm gonna go to my dimension style manager here, modify, and everything we've done on primary units tab at this point has been decimal. You probably haven't even looked at unit format. Is one of those things that just has been what it's been. We've dealt with precision, but if you take a look, the top one is driving the bottom one, right? So right now it says decimal, therefore the precision becomes decimal. But if you pop this top one down to fractional, that's going to change what this looks like. Okay, so now instead of decimal, like we've had it decimal, we're going to change to fractional. And now my precision is, again, it's going to be whatever the lowest common denominator is. So
16.
now for this one's quarter. So you're just going to look at whatever the smallest fraction is. So these are quarters. And I'm just going to OK and close. And now when I start dropping these guys in here, so this one is a diameter, you're going to notice that it's going to give me that 1 1/2, which is kind of nice. Same thing with the radius. Pop this guy in here. You're going to notice there's your friend. There he is, right? That extension line that you're going to need to kind of mess with. So this guy, you know, you can, there is a way around it. You can kind of mess with this thing a little bit and try and drag it, or some people explode it. That's another way. So, but you could do one of those parent-child and just suppress the dimension extension line there. So however you want to handle that guy. But so that one, you know, I think that's pretty easy once you kind of know the couple of tricks there. So the tangent, radius, making sure you click around, and then the dimensions